Thank you, Neeta, for highlighting how Reliance Foundation is caring and compassionate institution, always ready to serve the nation. Dear share owners, let me now share with you Reliance's future value creation roadmap. Our founder, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, gave us the mantra that continues to guide us in our value creation journey. He said, "Growth is life," which we have adopted as our motto. He also constantly reminded us that for happiness, growth should be holistic, enriching the life of every Indian and developing every aspect of human life. Walking in his footsteps, Reliance has constantly reinvented itself to pursue ever higher growth goals. And with each new growth cycle, we have demonstrated our commitment to create more prosperity for India and benefit more Indians. In 2020, we can all be proud that today Reliance stands stronger than ever before, my dear shareholders. This is because as a technology and consumer company, Reliance has built three hyper-growth engines. Our Jio Platforms business, our Reliance Retail's new commerce business, and our O2C business. In the years to come, Reliance will create more growth engines, accelerating its diversified growth. Among them, as I have already mentioned, is our vision to make Reliance a new energy and a new materials company. Our growth strategy is aimed at meeting the needs of all 1.3 billion Indians, especially the millions of underprivileged people who are at the bottom of the economic and social pyramid. So far, India's growth has been sustained by the demands of a small part of our enviable demographic strength. But when Bharat and India start growing together, the whole world will be astonished. When we create value for our nation's inclusive future, its automatic byproduct is the value accretion for Reliance. Dear share owners, we are well aware that we cannot realize this vision on our own. Indeed, no single company can. Therefore, we are adopting a strategy of the two P's, partnerships. Partnerships with millions of small merchants, kisans, small and medium enterprises, teachers, healthcare workers, helping them become more productive and profitable. And also partnerships with promising Indian startups, globally renowned technology companies and energy companies, and a lot of Indian small and medium enterprises and Indian companies. Intellectual property is going to be an important pillar of our value creation journey. Therefore, Reliance will continue to strengthen its in-house capabilities in cutting-edge technological innovations. Towards this end, we will work more aggressively to attract the best young talent. Reliance will work with other Indian companies, including startups, to vigorously promote made in India, made for India, and made for the world products. Dear shareholders, as Reliance grows bigger, we have demonstrated our ability to raise necessary investments to fire our growth engines. Now, on the back of our robust balance sheet and taking advantage of the favorable conditions in the global debt market, we shall confidently pursue all future growth opportunities across our businesses. Our track record of value creation so far will itself open future tracks of investment on a sustainable basis. Dear shareholders, Reliance has traveled 3 years into its golden decade. What an incredible journey it has been since our IPO in 1977. Our market capitalization has increased at a compounded annual growth rate of 31% over these 43 years each year. Reliance is now ranked among the world's 60 largest companies by market capitalization. And when Reliance scales still higher summits of success, our employees and shareholders will surely reap its rewards. Dear shareholders, Reliance's 50th anniversary in 2027 coincides with the 80th anniversary of India's independence. This is not a coincidence. It shows the intrinsic relationship between a new Reliance and a new India. Today, I want to solemnly pledge that we are ever more committed to maximizing our contribution to solving the big problems facing our nation and also our planet. Dear friends, before I conclude, I must share my deepest emotion with you. These are difficult times, no doubt, for India and the world because of the coronavirus pandemic. However, never have I felt more optimistic in my life about a bright future for India and for Reliance. When I interact with young entrepreneurs, engineers and innovators, both in Reliance and in other enterprises, I clearly see in them a level of ambition and self-confidence far higher than in the people of my generation. They surely are going to make the Indian dream come true. They strengthen my conviction that India's time has well and truly come. Our visionary Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, has rightly predicted that beyond the hardships of the corona crisis, India will emerge as a stronger, more inclusively prosperous, more resilient and more self-confident nation. Let us work together to realize this noble goal. For all of us at Reliance, the source of inspiration is Swami Vivekananda, who said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." In this mission to serve India and the world, we seek your blessings, my dear shareholders, the blessings of all our elders, and Lord Krishna. I would like to thank the central and the state governments, shareholders, investors, lenders, suppliers, and customers for their consistent and resolute support. I thank all my colleagues on the board for their oversight in this crucial phase of our growth, their support and immense encouragement. I have special words to acknowledge the collective efforts of the Reliance team working tirelessly to create and sustain a world-class enterprise. Thank you very much, my dear shareholders.
तो रिलायंस की एजीएम आपको